What's up, YouTubers? This is Speed Just Waste here. Anyways, I hope you guys are ready today. Anyways, welcome back to the next video. Today, we're back once again. Today. But anyways, I'm so sorry my video. It's kind of a lot messed. But I just clean it up right away. I'm gonna clean this one up. I'll be right back. Alright, everyone, I'm ready to clean up the DVD players. Let's get this player started. We'll start with Thomas and Friends, Race Rescues, or Runaways, or other Thomas adventures. This DVD disc right there, not bad. Look at Thomas got damaged. That was totally amazing. Okay, let's get to Carl or Bernie, Season 1, Volume 1. I already saw Nicktoons, but it's made with the tag out of Power Choo Choo, I guess, but maybe with the original old show. Anyways, there's the movie, Corner or the Bernie. What? You're putting minimum age? You scrape bones! I said no minimum age on this Nicktoons. Okay, sorry about this for take this, yes. But minimum age, that was a disgraceful we go. Anyways, let's get to the works. I don't know how to say this. This one universal. This one right there. This been doing a trick. No, it didn't close up. APG, I guess. Big mid language. That was so amazing. Okay, let's get to the more handy many. Fix it right. Let's put a Disney DVD about this. Inside Playhouse Disney. Okay, here's the DVD disc. I get more DVDs for Playhouse Disney pretty soon. But before then, let's get to on the back. Not bad, Walt Disney Studios. You got to be kidding me, past 34 years. But well done, it's been 2008. Let's get to the more to VeggieTales, more up to beans. Not bad actually. There's DVD player over there. Looks like I had in the back on it, got upside down and the stick on it. Yeah. Okay, let's get to the one to Rio 2. There's the DVD disc right there. Pretty good actually. It's very G. Well, it's not gonna play by APG anymore. It's very G. But don't worry, they're gonna take care of this for another time. I'll find out ways we had Thomas Friends. He ends up the Magic Railroad. Wow, this is the real virtual movie. I know you got Will on it. There's no FBI warning over there. So he'll be here real soon. Okay, I know how to say this for now because you expect best about this. Alright, we have some DVDs left. I think that's a guy today, this time I guess. But anyways, more DVDs will be up next week. And also, I will see you guys tomorrow before I will get to play right before then. Tomorrow morning, my mom will go ahead and get fixed my iPhone soon. My password. And I will see you guys real soon. Peace out,